This video will show you how to remove the stock axle back exhaust on all 2010 through 2014 GT Mustangs.
First step, we're going to start on our driver's side. We got the vehicle up in the air. Grab a 13 socket. We're going to loosen up the clamp holding on our factory muffler to the over axle pipe. All right, now at this point, it's a good idea to lubricate your hangers and isolators. So I already did that. We're basically going to push the muffler toward the rear of the vehicle so we can expose the bolt on the bracket above. So now that we push this forward, we can see this bolt here and this bolt here. We're going to use a 13mm swivel socket to get these guys off. All right, now the same bracket directly above the muffler, there's another one, but it's a little more difficult to get to with an impact gun. So we're basically gonna go in here with a 1/4" ratchet and a 13 short socket and get this guy off by hand. All right, so now there's one hanger left by the tip, and if you lubricate it, you should be able to just get it out easily. All right, set this guy aside, repeat on the other side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.